This is one of the sunset elevators. Alright, this is one of the hydraulic elevators at the Wyndham Disney Springs Hotel here in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. There's the layout there. Here it is. Small. Let's go down to 1.
First,
5. Going up. What floor would you like?
going
Lobby.
Bobby?
Yeah.
Alright, we go up. This is the lobby.
Yep. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, here we go. I remember where I start with the.
going up.
Oh, right here. Here it is.
Here we go. We go back down the L. Have you. Pretty basic elevator. Fixtures, Series M2, hand-free 88 code pine phone, 2,000 pounds. Used to be a Montgomery.
Main lobby.
Here it is. Right back in the lobby, and that's it.